In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Yahoo Mail storage. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your current usage and total capacity so you can keep your inbox running smoothly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Yahoo Mail, then press Enter. From the results, click the official Yahoo Mail link. It's typically near the top and takes you straight to the sign-in page or the inbox if you're already logged in. If you manage more than one account, make sure you're signing into the one you want to check. Go ahead and sign in. Once your inbox loads, you should be in the new Yahoo Mail view. That's the modern layout with a clean top bar and a sidebar of folders on the left. If your screen looks a bit different, don't worry. Icons sometimes move depending on screen size. But the option you need is the gear-shaped settings icon near the top right corner of the page. Click the settings gear to open the quick settings panel. This panel lets you adjust things like themes and layout. On some accounts, you may need to click more settings at the bottom of that panel to see additional options. Either way works. The important part is that you now have the settings area open so you can confirm you're in the correct interface. Now look toward the left-hand side of your Yahoo Mail window. At the very bottom of the left sidebar, below your inbox and other folders, you'll see a small storage section. This shows how much space you've used and your total capacity. It's often displayed as a number and, in some cases, a progress bar. This is your at-a-glance view of storage, and it updates as you manage emails and attachments. If you don't see the storage indicator right away, give the page a moment to finish loading, then scroll the left sidebar all the way down. Also, make sure you're not zoomed in too far, as that can hide parts of the sidebar. A quick refresh can help if it's your first time opening the mailbox on a new device. A couple of tips before we wrap up. If your storage is getting close to full, large attachments in the inbox, sent, trash, and spam folders are usually the biggest culprits. Emptying trash and spam after review can free up space. And if you frequently check this information, consider bookmarking mail. Yahoo.com so you can get back to your inbox faster. That's it. You've now located your Yahoo Mail storage usage and total capacity with just a few clicks.